Hi there, fourth graders. Today we're on lesson 9. We are going to be multiplying 3 or 4 digit numbers by a 1-digit number using partial products. Okay, so we started partial products last week, so hopefully this sounds familiar. All right, let's start with a 3-digit by 1-digit here. Okay, so I've written the problem. Go ahead and write your problem down. And I am going to start by setting up my partial product kind of T-chart here so I can stay nice and organized. Okay, I have my 1-digit number, which is a 2, times, I'm going to multiply by the ones first. So I move from the ones out to the larger place values. So 2 times 4 is my first partial product. Okay, my 2 times 4. Then I move over to my tens place. I have 2 times the 2 in the tens place, which is a 20. Okay, I'm going to turn these into just standard form instead of using unit form today. That seemed to help some of us a lot. Okay, so 2 times 20, we should know how to do that from our steps in our other lessons. All right, so I have my last place value here. Whoops, not a 3, it's a 2 still, times, now I have a 3 in the hundreds place, and that makes 300. Okay, so there's my 3 partial products. I have 3 place values that I'm multiplying by, so that makes sense. Okay, so now I can go ahead and solve for my partial products. 2 times 4 gets me 8. 2 times 20 gets me 40, and 2 times 300 gets me 600. Okay, and now I need to add my partial products together, and I end up with an 8 in the ones place, a 4 in the tens place, and a 6 in the hundreds place. Okay, and that should make sense because it's about 300. We're multiplying by 2. I should get an answer of 600 something. Okay, 648 is my final answer here. Go ahead and jot this one down. I have 605 times 4. Okay, I am again going to set up my partial product T-chart, and I've got 4 times the 5 ones, so 4 times 5. This one, don't be nervous at all, but this has a 0 in it in the tens place. So really, when I multiply something by 0, I know it's going to be 0. So we can kind of just skip over the tens place for right now. So it actually makes it a little easier here. So instead of 3 partial products, I'm actually only going to have 2. Okay, so I'm going to skip over 4 times 0 tens is 0. So there's no point in even writing it. Okay, then I skip out to the hundreds, and I have 4 times 600. So because we skipped over the tens, make sure that that's 600s. All right, and I have 4 times 5 gets me 20. And 6 times 600, well, I know 4 times 6 gets me 24, and 24 times 100 is 24 hundreds, so 2,400. Okay. 0, got 2 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place, and 2 in the thousands place. 2,420 is my final answer. Alright, let's keep chugging along. Go ahead and write this down. Why don't you go ahead without me, try this. So pause the video and then check your work with me. Alright, so you should have had 3 times 1, 3 times 50, and 3 times 800. Okay, 3 times 1 gets me 3. 3 times 50 gets me 150. And 3 times 800. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 hundredths. My last one is 2400 or 2400. Alright, now I can go ahead and add my stack. End up with 3 5/10ths, 500ths, and 2 thousandths. 2,553. Alright, now we're moving on to a 4-digit. Okay, nothing changes. Okay, I have 4 partial products that we're going to create here. Okay, so instead of 3, I'm going to have 4 partial products. Okay, because there's 4 digits in this number that I'm multiplying. My first one is 9 times 4. My second partial product is 4 times 70. Third is 4 times 300. And my last one is 4 times 6,000. Okay, so thinking about, I almost envision it like expanded form. My 9, 70, 300, 6,000 are being multiplied each by 4. Alright, so 4 times 9 gets me 36. 4 times 7 gets me 28 times 10 gets me 280. Now I have 4 times 3, which is 12, but 12 times 100 gets me 1,200 or 12 hundredths. And last one here is 4 times 6,000. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times 1,000 is 24,000. Alright, and now I add my stack of 4 partial products. I have 6 in the ones place. I have 11, rename the 10. I've got 4, 5, 5, and 2 for 25,516. Okay, so hopefully that wasn't too bad. That was the last one I have for you. Short little video today, but hopefully that feels pretty good, and the more you practice, the better you're going to get. So work really hard on your problem set and have a great day.